All right, welcome to OBS Metal Dash. Today we are going to start taking all the stuff out of this truck. I got the table set up to put everything on and see what we got under all this. All this. We're gonna have to make some repairs in the floors and the firewall, and we're not going to use the Vortec harness because it's going to a carburetor. So we're going to go ahead and, I guess I'm going to put this on the fast thing because it'd be kind of boring just watching me take that off. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all the stuff out of the inside. That's a replacement harness that he had bought for it, which we won't be using. We're using just going to use a whole new aftermarket wiring system harness from Easy Wire, and got the back cleaned out. Leave that headliner in place for now. It's not hurting nothing up there. It's not a bad truck. It's clean. Look how solid it is. Rocker panels are super clean. All right, so next step is to get that wiring harness right there out. Lots of wiring, that's for sure. All right, we're moving along pretty good on the truck. I got most of the stuff off. Yeah, I have a little stand I stand on. So we got most of the wiring out of the way. Yeah, let's get the sun out of there. All right, and we're gonna have to fill a hole there, and then we're gonna fill this hole here, and all this crap comes out. We're gonna need a different set of fender wells here. That cut out a little bit. Same with over there. All that stuff is everything that was inside in the cab and in this engine and everything. So next step is we're going to get that intake off and a couple other things out of the way, and then put a good cover on it so it stays nice and dry, and then we'll probably be done for the day.